Hello everyone. Today I am going to start with next topic of chapter excretory system. In today's lecture we will study about structure of kidney in detail. So first of all, what is kidney? Actually kidneys are reddish brown, bean shaped, slightly flattened organs and these are present just below the stomach on either sides of vertebral column. See? Right kidney is lower than the left kidney due to the presence of large right liver lobe. See, outer margin of kidney is convex and inner margin is concave. In the middle of inner concavity is present a notch called hilus or hilum. See, this is outer margin which is convex and inner margin is concave, and this notch like structure is known as hilus. The renal artery, renal vein, nerve fibers, ureters enters and leaves the kidney through hilus. See, kidney is bounded externally by a thin sheet of white fibrous tissues called capsules. See, this is a thin fibrous sheet called capsule. In each kidney, about 1.25 million nephrons are present. Now, what are nephrons? Nephron is the structural and functional unit of kidney. And see, this is the structure of nephron. Internally, kidney is differentiated into two regions. The outer dark region is called cortex and inner light region is called medulla. Look here. The outer dark region is called cortex and inner light region is called medulla. Cortex is dotted in appearance. Now, there is a question that why cortex is dotted in appearance? Cortex is dotted in appearance due to the presence of highly coiled part of nephron, whereas the medulla part is striated in appearance. This is striated because nephrons run almost straight in this region. In the cortex region, urine is made, and from medulla, the urine flows into a funnel shaped cavity called renal pelvis. Look here. This funnel shaped cavity is called renal pelvis. From there, urine enters into ureter. Excretory system of man consists of kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. Look here. These are kidneys. These tube-like structures are known as ureter. This bag-like structure is known as urinary bladder, and at the last is urethra. The various functions of kidneys are elimination of toxic substances, regulation of water balance, regulation of blood pressure, excretion of nitrogenous waste products, and helps in regulation. Now next we are going to talk about ureters. The ureters are the pair of long tubes which extends from kidney to the posterior surface of urinary bladder. Ureters enters the urinary bladder obliquely to prevent the backflow of urine. Look here. These tube-like structures are ureters and these are entering into the urinary bladder obliquely. See? Why? To prevent the backflow of urine. Now next we are going to talk about urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is a bag-like muscular organ. It is located in the pelvic region. It acts as a reservoir for urine before it leaves the body, and it can hold about 1 liter of urine. Look here. The urinary bladder is located in the pelvic region. See? Next we are going to talk about urethra. Urethra is a small tube leading from the lower end of the bladder to the exterior, and it is about 3 to 4 centimeters long in female and about 18 to 20 centimeters long in male. So children, now you must be able to answer the following questions. Where kidneys are located? Describe the various functions of kidneys. Differentiate between ureter and urethra and draw a well-labeled diagram of kidney. So this was all about today's lecture. We will continue with the next topic in the next lecture. Kindly learn question answers very properly and write and draw the diagrams very neatly. Thank you so much.